They do some very specific things, which I'll talk about it now. The interbank FX, the main reason why I highlighted them was they allow micro lot trading. And when you're just getting started and you're getting geared up in the Forex market and you're transitioning from a demo account to a live account, you want to make that transition as easy and as seamless as possible. So in order to do that effectively, you need to be able to transition into trading live money without taking a lot of risk, okay? And so the micro lot will let you do that. You're risking literally a dime for every tick, which is nothing in terms of money management. So it'll give you the ability to place the orders knowing that you can still make or lose money, so you have that whole dynamic going on. So it just gives you some help there. But you don't want to practice placing the orders and modifying the orders with live money. You know, I don't care if it is 10 cents. I mean, listen, you and I work hard to get the money that we have. The last thing we need to do is get into the marketplace and throw it around willy-nilly. Just please don't do that. Then you want to make it. The last thing is this is something very basic, and believe me, I learned this the hard way. Make it a habit to check your order status at the end of the day. You want to see if you have pending orders left over. If you have a buy order or a limit order or a stop order that's just sitting out there, you need to make sure that those get cleared off so the order doesn't get executed. And I will say this, my policy is if I have a position that's a mistake, I instantly get out. I don't care if I'm making money, losing money, it's even, I get out instantly. Because that's a position I haven't planned for, and it's a position that is going to be emotionally controlled. So it's just a bad idea for me personally to keep those on, and there's just no reason for it. I've never had one work out. Even back in my early days when I would keep them on, I would inevitably wind up losing money. Okay, so let's talk about the patterns. This is something that's also very simple. And we're going to look at some charts, and I'll highlight some of the patterns and go over them, slowly, slower than I did in the course, and also talk about maybe some things that I may not have talked about in the course. I don't know, but we'll go over the patterns again here in just a few minutes.